What makes the on indicator light stay on maytag electric range model MER 752 Bach?
So this issue means that one of the contacts in one of your burner control switches has failed. Now probably the easiest way to figure out which burner control switch needs to be replaced is to pull the oven out and disconnect the power cord. Remove the screws coming in from the back of the control panel and remove the back control access panel. Once this panel is removed, you can see the back of all 4 burner switches. Disconnect all the wires going to one of the switches and plug the range back in. If the light is off, that is the switch you need to replace. If the light stays on, then unplug the oven, reconnect all the wires, and try the next switch. We are on the honor system here. If you need anything else, just let me know. You can continue asking follow-up questions at no additional charge after rating my service if you still need assistance.
I found the switch. It is a burner switch and you would know it was the last one I tried. Do you happen to know part number?
Sure thing. For a large burner, the switch part number is. For the small burner, the part number is on this model.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.